Congratulations on your new role as a supervisor. It's an exciting journey, but it can also be challenging. Today I'm going to share with you 5 crucial things I wish I had known in my first 30 days as a new supervisor. These insights will help you navigate your new responsibilities and set you up for success. Building relationships is key. When I first started, I was so focused on tasks that I neglected the most important aspect of leadership: building relationships. Take time to connect with your team members individually. Learn about their strengths, aspirations, and challenges. Remember, a strong foundation of trust and mutual respect will make your job easier and your team more productive in the long run. Listen more than you speak. As a new supervisor, it's tempting to want to prove yourself by always having the answers. But here's the truth. Your team members are the experts in their roles. Practice active listening. Ask open-ended questions and really hear what your team has to say. You'll gain valuable insights and show your team that their opinions matter. Know what you don't know. It's okay not to have all the answers. In fact, admitting when you don't know something can actually boost your credibility. Be honest about your limitations and show a willingness to learn. Seek advice from more experienced colleagues or your own supervisor. Remember, vulnerability is not a weakness. It's a strength that fosters growth and authenticity. Adopt a coaching mentality. Your role isn't just about managing tasks, it's about developing people. Instead of always giving direct instructions, try asking questions that guide your team members to find solutions on their own. This coaching approach empowers your team, builds their problem-solving skills, and ultimately makes your job easier as they become more self-reliant. Ask your team what's important. I wish I had known earlier how crucial it is to understand what matters most to your team. Don't assume you know their priorities or pain points. Ask them directly. What's most important to you in your role? What obstacles are you facing? This information will help you align your leadership style with your team's needs and create a more supportive work environment. Remember, becoming a great supervisor doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey of continuous learning and growth. By focusing on these 5 areas, building relationships, listening, acknowledging what you don't know, adopting a coaching mentality, and understanding your team's priorities, you'll be well on your way to becoming an effective and respected leader. Good luck in your new role, and remember, the best leaders are those who never stop learning and growing alongside their team. Take a few seconds and subscribe and leave a comment so we can continue to make videos that you want to see.